Today's reading lesson we're going to be looking at some poetry again. And we're looking at a poem called The Jabberwocky. Now, the Jabberwocky is a nonsense poem. Okay? As it says here, it's a nonsense ballad poem because most of the words are made up. So it's a little bit tricky to read. Now, what your activity is today is to go to this website called Poetry Arrows of Desire, and you can listen to the Jabberwocky poem. As you're listening, I want you to think about 5 sentences and write down answers to what you can hear, what you can see, what you can feel. Write down how the narrator is reading the poem, what's he doing with his voice, and what you think the poem is about. Now, you can either go to the website and answer those questions, or you can simply listen to me read it and answer it as I read. Jabberwocky by Lewis Carroll. 'Twas brilling, and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wave, all mimsy were the borgoves, and the moth-rayed rats outgrabe. Beware the Jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, claws that clutch. Beware the jabber bird, and shun the humorous bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in one hand, a long time the maxome foe he sought, so rested by the tum-tum tree, and stood awhile in thought. And as if in uffish thought he stood, the Jabberwock with eyes of flame came whiffing through the tugly wood and burbled as it came. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through the vorpal blade with snicker-snack. He left it dead, and with its head he went galumphing back. And hast thou slain the Jabberwock? Come to me, my beamish boy. O frabbiest day, cooler Calais, he chortled in his joy. 'Twas brilling, and the slithy troves that did gyre and gimble in the wave, mimsy were the borgoves, and the morn wrath outrave. You need to look at that poem and think about what you can hear, what you can see, what you feel, what you think I was doing with my voice when I was reading, and what you think the poem is actually about. It's a bit strange, isn't it? Okay. We're going to use this poem all this week in reading. Okay? So your next task is to underline the words in the poem that you dislike, you like, what puzzles you, so things that you'd want to know about. What patterns can you find? Write your questions and comments on the poem. If you can, take a photo of your work and send it through to me, or just put it into a Word doc. That will be fine. So if they're dot points or if they're just numbered, that's okay to do it like that. There is another part here where you need to go to the website, Padlet, and write down what you liked or disliked, what puzzled you. So you can go to Padlet and use that instead, or you can just send it to me in a chat like we have been. Okay, so this first part here is exactly the same as this part here. It's just a different way of doing it. You decide which way you want to present your information. Part 2 is pick a book. Have a read. So you can pick a book of your own to read, or you can go to Epic, or you can go to Sunshine. And then if you get time, can you do a free query for me, please? Go through any book. Doesn't really matter.